Okay, everyone, homework practice problems for Tuesday, March 25th. And we had numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Maybe not 12, I can't remember. Well, when we get to there, I'll figure it out. All right, so number 2, all you're doing is finding the area. So remember our formula, area equals base times height divided by 2. They give you the base and height, just plug these in, and then you'll be able to do it. I'm not gonna go any further than that. Number 2, Norma has an A-frame cabin. The back is shown below. If the total area of the windows and doors is 3.5 square yards, so that's the windows and the doors, how many square yards of paint will she need to cover the back of the cabin? So this is like the Bobcat flag, where we had to subtract the area of the Bobcat flag from the area of the entire flag. So same thing, find the area of the entire triangle and then subtract the square yards of the windows and the doors. All right, number 6, this is the missing height. So I promised you a shortcut, so I'm going to share the shortcut with you. It's more of a shortcut when you have whole numbers than it is when you have decimals, but we'll try it anyway. So we talked about area equals base times height, and I said to plug in the values that you already know. So you know the area is 13.5, and you know that the base is 6.75, and you don't know the height. So we talked about in class, we'd have to get the variable by itself. You would have to multiply both sides by 2 and then divide by the given height. But you could do it, there's another way you could do it with division. It could be shorter sometimes. You could take the area, which in this case is 6.75, trying to find a place to write this, and you could divide by the given, the area is 13.5. Take the area, which is 13.5, and divide it by the given base of 6.75. And then when you do that division, you can multiply whatever you get for your quotient by 2, and that will give you the missing piece. So you would have to move the decimal point over 2 places. And now it's just like you're dividing 1,350 by 675. I'll give you a hint, it's a whole number. But when you get that answer, when you get that quotient, you then would have to multiply that by 2. So you could do it that way. So just to review, you could take the area, divide it by the given base, and then when you're done with that, you're going to multiply whatever you get by 2. So it's area divided by base times 2. Or you could try the way that we did in class. You could set it up this way. You would multiply both sides by 2, they'd cancel each other out, and then you'd have 27 over here, and you'd be dividing that by 6.75, okay? So if you do it this way, you're taking care of, well, it's up to you. Whatever way you want to do it, it's fine, okay? And just to show you on maybe a simpler piece, if you had a triangle like this, and you had the base was 20, and the area was 80. Okay, you could take that area of 80, divide it by 20, you get 4, and then if you multiplied the 4 by 2, you get 8, and that would be your missing side. 20 times 8 is 160, divided by 2 is 80. So that's how the shortcut could work. All right, number 8, just what is the area of the triangle? Base times height divided by 2. Not gonna really help you on that one. Number 10, yeah, we only had to do to number 12. So number 12, draw and label a triangle with a base that's 3 times its height and has an area that is less than 50 square inches. All right, so on this one, you make your triangle and draw and label a triangle with a base that is 3 times its height. So, you're gonna wanna go with small numbers here. I'll let you figure that one out. This one, multi-step. So they give you the dimensions of the triangle. You have to find the area, and then you have to figure out how much money it will cost to buy the windflower seed mix that you would need. So first thing you have to do, step 1, find the area of the yard that they are planting the mix. And then number 2, you've got to find out how many square yards of mix you will need. And then number 3, the price of that mix. So it's really a kind of a 3-step problem, but it's similar to the ones that we've had. With the money, you may have some mix left over, so you may have to buy more than you need. Make sure you try that one, please. Might be using that little piece number 10 as maybe a little quiz tomorrow. All right, see you tomorrow.